Hi everybody, welcome back to Polymer Clay by Deb, and it is Winter Wednesday. And just as promised, we are going to give away this little ring jar that we made in our last tutorial. So, without further ado, I'm going to announce the winner. The winner is Julie Coots. Congratulations, you have won the ring box. So if you will just send me a message either through YouTube, or you can send it to my email, deb@debandco.com, and let me know where to send it. We will send it to you. And then next week we'll be having another giveaway, and we're going to give away this little heart jar that we made in our very last tutorial that we had on Sunday. So be sure that you have liked, favored, and subscribed, and turn on your bell notifications so that you'll be notified when we will be doing another giveaway or another tutorial. So until next time, say bye Felix, and happy Valentine's Day. See you later. Bye.